What's up guys, hope you're doing well. Today we'll have a look into the Chainlink price chart because it seems that we have just entered a correction, and right now obviously we want to know what are the targets to the downside, what support levels do we have, and is this just a temporary correction? What will happen next? So let's get straight into this. So maybe you remember from my last video that we have broken here above the recent resistance, and therefore we have activated our price target here at 25.10. And right now we are retesting the breakout level. So that is the current state. And you can see right here, I have also drawn lower support levels right here. So the lowest one is basically the lower, so the first breakout that we had right here from this level. The second level right here is where we have also interacted several times with. Here you can see we have quickly peaked above it, closed below, peaked above it again, and then broken to the downside. So these are the two support levels that I have drawn here below the recent breakout. And now also I want to show you something else, because you can see it right here, we have red across the board. So basically every crypto today has gone down, which also means that Bitcoin of course also got down, which is why I want to give you a sneak peek into the Bitcoin price chart. Because if we can see what is happening in the Bitcoin price chart, or if we have some expectations, we can of course also see that in the altcoin market. So let's have a quick look right here. So you can see that we basically had here the old all-time high, and then we did a very nice breakout. But you can also see that so far there was no retest. So the price has not revisited the breakout level and then got higher. So we have not done that yet. And that is why, if we just see a normal correction, so nothing dramatic, just a normal correction of Bitcoin doing the retest of the recent breakout level, that means that in Bitcoin we are dropping, let's say 5 to 6%. This would be a retest of the old all-time high. And you know that if Bitcoin drops like 5 to 6%, altcoins can at least do double. And that is why if we are looking into Chainlink, this would pretty much be right here. You can see it, 12 to 13%. This is the lower support level. And that is why I think that if Bitcoin should correct right now and do the retest, that in altcoins, of course, we will also see a correction. And in Chainlink, then we are probably looking at the lower support level right here at 15.66. This doesn't mean that the price target here is invalidated, because in this price target here, it is also included that we are doing a correction and that we need some time. Just if we see that the correction is taking us a little bit lower and takes a little bit longer, very likely we will not, I repeat that, we will not aim for the first rectangle target. So right here, the first half of the rectangle would be till the 22nd of August. This is 1 month from now, and that becomes then more unlikely to hit. But then it is more likely that we are hitting the price target in the second half of the rectangle. Therefore, you can also imagine what my strategy is right here. So currently we need to be patient. We need to wait for more confirmation for daily candle closes. We need to see what Bitcoin does. And if we are getting down to this level right here, and we also see that Bitcoin is at the recent breakout level, then potentially we are presented with another buying opportunity, which personally I will do. So I'm waiting right now for another buying opportunity. And if this buying opportunity shows up, then of course I will do another video on this. So make sure to subscribe to this channel so you won't miss this. Also, therefore, the question is answered if I think that this will be just a temporary correction, or if that's it. And obviously, if I'm buying more, I don't think that this is it. I think this will just be a normal correction. We are right now just waiting for the bottom to see some confirmation that we have a bottoming formation or a level where we can get a good entry, and then we are looking for the next bounce to the upside and also for this price target here of $25.10. In case you have any questions, or if you have other coins you want me to have a look at, feel free to post that in the comments. That's it for this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.